Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to display user data in Retool without using a table. Even if you're a beginner and don't have any data connected, don't worry, we'll use dummy data right inside Retool. First, open Retool and click Create New, then App. You'll get a blank canvas where we'll design our mini user profile dashboard. Next, we'll add some sample data. Go to the Query section on the left and click plus New Resource Query JavaScript Query. Name it something like Query 1. Then paste this code. Click Run, and you'll see your sample data appear. Now let's display this user info nicely without a table. First, drag a container component from the right sidebar. Inside it, add text components for each user field. For each text box, click it and change the value on the right side panel to show data like this. As soon as you type this, Retool automatically shows the values from our fake data. Let's make it look better. Click the container and change its background color to something light, maybe light blue or gray. Increase the font size and add bold text for the labels. You can also drag an image component if you want to show a profile picture. Just paste any online image link. And that's it! You've just built a clean user data display in Retool. No tables, no database, just simple components. You can use the same idea later with real APIs or databases.